Hi, how are you? I hope you are very well. Today I will teach you how to make the Gmail account. First of all, you open your Gmail browser and then click on the top. Then you click on add an other account. Then because I want to make a Google account, so I click on the Google account. There are some different options to create other account, for example Yahoo, Exchange Office, etc. Because I want to make a Google account, so I click on the Google account. You just wait for a few seconds. Then you see that they are under add option create account, so you click on the create account for myself to manage my business, so you click on the for myself. Then you put your name which you want to set. For example, I set any name, Foxy, and last name Proxy. Any account which you want to like to set. Then you click next. Then you set your date of birth, any date of birth. It's not an important date of birth. 20 year 1999. Then you select your gender, male, female, etc. Then you click next. Then Google show you some Google account names. The Google show me two accounts. There are at the end. Google show you create your own Gmail address. If you want to like to send your own personal Gmail, would you like? Then you set here. I select the first one. Then you click the next. Then you set a password which you want to like to set. You remember that you need a strong password because Gmail is very important for you. In the Gmail you store your all data, pictures, videos, numbers, phone numbers, everything. So you set a strong password. I set any password. For example, proxy 123 at dollar sign, and then click on the next. Then there are Google show you some these steps. Reset your password if you forget it. If you forget your password, then you have a choice to reset your password, receive your call, and manage. There are many options. You read that. Yes, I am. You click here. Then you see that this is your Google account, Foxy Proxy, which I made now. Then you click on the next. Then you read that it's not important. If you want to understand your Gmail, then you read it, otherwise you skip it. I agree. You click on this option, I agree all their privacy terms, everything. Then you just wait for few seconds. You just wait for few seconds. this is very to make this is very easy to make your Gmail account. It's not a difficult, it's a few steps. The new person thought this is very difficult, but it's not difficult, it is very easy. It's a few steps to make your Gmail account. Just wait for a few seconds, then you show that your Gmail account. You look that it's your Gmail account. Here, this is your Gmail account which I make now. You see that this is my new Gmail account. So it is very easy to make your Gmail account. This is a few steps. I hope you know that how to make Gmail account. Okay, goodbye, take care.